All right, welcome to this addition strategy lesson. We're going to work on expanded form with regrouping. Okay, so in this lesson, what we have are two addends. Addend, the large addend, and the small addend. I kind of flip-flop them. It doesn't really matter in addition, so we have 276 plus 324. So what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite both of our addends in expanded form. So I have the 200 plus the 70 plus the 6, and I'll put that in parentheses because that means it's all one number. Add to that, in parentheses, the 300 plus the 20 plus the 4. Now we get to add this. Now I'm going to do it in slightly different color because it just makes it easier to see. The 6 plus the 4, this is the ones place. Okay? Do not ever forget that. This is the tens place, and this is the hundreds place. Now if you remember, ones can only have ones in it, tens can only have tens, and hundreds can only have hundreds. You can't mix the place values. So, 6 plus 4 is 10. I'm going to write that in a different color, green. So 10. Now, you can't have a 10 in the ones place, so you cannot leave that there. So you essentially have to erase your 10. And say, I have no ones, none whatsoever, and I'm going to carry my 10 over here because I can put my 10 in my tens group. Now I can add 70 plus the 10 plus the 20 is 100. Now 100, I can't have that I can't have this because it's in the tens place, so I have to erase it and say I have no tens, none whatsoever, and I'm going to carry my 100 over here. So 300 plus 200 plus 300 plus 100 is 600. Very simple on this one. Let's watch it live action going all the way straight through. Okay, so I wrote this all out, expanded form notation for you. So you have your two addends, 873 plus 397. You write it out into expanded form, 873, 397. Go ahead and start your addition. I'm going to do this in blue and watch all of the carries. Okay, so I have 3 plus 7, that is 10. That can't happen. So I erase that, put down a 0, carry my 10. 90 plus 10 is 100. 100 plus 70 is 170. Again, I can't have 100 in the place, so I have to erase. Leave my 70, carry my 100. 100 plus 800 is 900. 900 is 1,200. Now, if you had another place value, you couldn't leave that 1,000 in the hundreds place value, but since that's all you're adding, you can leave it there. So your answer is 1,270. All right, here's the problem that I would like you to work out in expanded form notation with regrouping. If you have any questions, make sure you get a hold of me. Thanks for listening.